Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a donut chart in Excel. Donut charts are a great way to visualize parts of a whole, similar to a pie chart, but with the added benefit of displaying more information in a compact design. Let's get started. A donut chart is a circular chart similar to a pie chart, but it has a hole in the middle. The hole allows for better data visualization by adding in additional information or making room for some data labels, making it ideal for presenting hierarchical information. For this demonstration, we will use some example data to create our donut chart. Imagine we have sales data for different months like this. With this data, we want to show how much each month contributes to the total sales. Steps. First, select the data range you want to use for the donut chart. Here, we will select the range as C8 to D14. Go to Insert tab on the Excel ribbon. Click on Insert Pie or Donut Chart, and from the drop-down, select Donut Chart. Once the donut chart appears like this, you can customize it. You can add a chart title, adjust data labels, change colors, and more. To add data labels that display percentages, right-click on any data label, select Format Data Labels, and then select Percentage to show the contribution of each month to the total sales. You may also select here the category name if required. Formatting the donut hole size. You can also adjust the size of the donut hole. Right-click on the donut chart, choose Format Data Series, and then change the donut hole size slider to your desired size. A smaller hole gives a thicker ring, while a larger hole gives a thinner ring. Excel provides some great options to customize donut charts. You can change the colors of each slice, add data labels, and even create multiple layers by overlaying multiple donut charts to show more complex data relationships. For example, if you have more categories or subcategories, you can create a secondary series to show a secondary layer of donut data, which is nothing but a double donut chart. Okay, now let's create a double donut chart. Steps. Select the data. First, select the data range along with both the sales columns as C8 to E14. Go to Insert tab and then select Donut Chart. You will see two rings representing 2 years of sales. Customize it by adding data labels, changing the colors to make the two donuts visually distinguishable. This will be the output. Now, as a bonus tip, I will show you how we can create Doughnut Racing Chart like this. For each year, we want to show the actual profit, target, and the gap between them. We will use the profit and the gap as separate series in the donut chart. Select the data range as B24 to E28. Go to Insert tab. Select Donut Chart. You will see multiple donut charts representing the actual profits, targeted profits, and gaps. Now let's add a racing effect by just selecting the target profit series in each chart, which is in gray color here. Fill it with white color like this, so that at the end you would only see the actual profit series in blue color and the gaps in orange color like this. You can adjust the donut hole size again and add data labels and adjust the colors if you want to distinguish the years by colors. I have added this legend by manually putting up this text and then placing the colors here in this chart. So it is so nice, right? And that's all. You now know how to create a donut chart, a double donut chart, and even Doughnut Racing Chart in Excel. Try these techniques in your reports to make your data more visually appealing. And here are some of the samples for your reference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tips and tricks. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.